doesn't affect that.
Ka Civil Hospital Shillong kalapantip ba namar ka jing thut ha ka jing trikam jong ka reverse osmosis plan ka baju pendon kam ban pentelun yaki kam ha ka dialysis unit kinong pang ki ban wan pha sumar ki la ban kendo jing Henry mentala da panchnaya ka medical specialist in charge jong ka dialysis unit ka Dr. Catherine Marbanyang klaong ban nadu ba ka Civil Hospital Shillong kelas dang ya ka dialysis unit husnam 8,000 khatnyo kila don kumba sau pesan ngut kinong pang Henry ka jing pendap ya ka jing sumar da ka ni ka tanat kalong sau spa prapo ha ka por balas dang ya ka Henry kat ba ki snem kinang ya ka jaka sumar kala nang ban kya bat menta ki don hadu 8,000 praspa prapusau teli bat kumta ka kam kala nang kya kuman chukudau hangni dangshan lami kubor bekinong pang kilamat jing na ba ka dialysis unit ha Shillong Civil Hospital kam trekam.
And then we can there has been a little confusion about the services that we are rendering here recently.
But now it's already functioning. Everything has been done from the government side, from Civil Hospital as well as from the government side. Everything has been done, and we have already resumed back our work. And we could just tell that we have lots of patients load in dialysis. So maybe we might not be able to cater almost all the patients who are especially the poor people coming for dialysis in Civil Hospital because of the load. So now, since we started our dialysis in 2017, we have around 45 patients, but the total number of cycles we are doing is only 480 in 2000 when we just started the dialysis. But with years passed by, we have being overloaded with our work. We have around now 2,884. You could just understand the burden we are facing.
Deputy Commissioner but Chairman ka